On Monday's Zoom with the whole school, we got to watch the video about cooperation. You guys have your table partners, and I want you to talk about what you think cooperation is.
So we have done over 800 lessons, and we're the top CharacterStrong user in LAUSD.
When we were given the options to select a curriculum, we were looking for a program that would be easy for our teachers to implement, engaging for our students, and that would complement what we were already doing here at our school site.
Before, it was difficult for the students to even communicate how they were feeling or what their thoughts were. They are now able to express themselves. They're more aware and understand their feelings a little bit more.
It really teaches you how to be responsible, empathy, kind, honest. It helps kids to be brave, to stand up for yourself.
Learning about how people can talk about feelings. People can know me and what I like and what I do.
At the beginning of the year, we had a lot of issues with bullying.
I think it's so important that our students know how to handle conflict, what their options are, so that they don't freeze when they're in the middle of it.
One time, me and my friend had a disagreement. I didn't want any problems to be caused, so I stayed respectful, and I said, you can have your opinion, I can have my own.
When I think about our principal, she's our leader, right? It really makes a difference for her to really buy into the program. She has spent hours diving deep into the curriculum and made sure that we reviewed all of the lessons and we're using the tree of choice.
We did have a training with our staff at the beginning of the school year so they could understand what this program was, what it would look like here at Plummer. Our students are learning durable skills that they will be able to carry beyond elementary school.
I think kids need purposeful people because when they grow up, they can already know what to do and be kind, respectful.
Do you guys want to do lights, camera, action? Or if you guys want to do top three?
Top three.
Top three? Okay, top three it is.
When students walk onto campus, you could see that they're happy, you see their smiles on their faces, and that tells me that they feel safe, they feel comfortable.
We don't always understand what's going on at home, but when we do these activities, they start feeling motivated again, and it gets their mind to, okay, I'm here to learn, I'm ready.
I feel like if we took out CharacterStrong, we just would lose those relationships, that connection, that freedom to express their feelings and feel safe.
I'm hoping that my students become people that are good to themselves, good to others, and good to their community. That would be the legacy that I would like to leave behind for my students here at Plummer.